Okay, moms, let's go ahead and get started here. So what you would need your ribbon. I got orange and black, and for the sake of the video I pre-cut the ribbon, and I just did 9.5 inches. You could do 10, 12 for a more dramatic look, of course. You would need your scissors, of course, to cut your ribbon, and some amazing lollipops. Who doesn't love lollipops? Permanent marker, and some rubber ties, some rubber bands, and you just need plain white napkin. All right, so digging right in, we go ahead and we just put this over the lollipop. Put your paper towel over the lollipop, tie it over that with the rubber band. I do 3 times. And I also fluff it out, you know, to make it look that more ghostly feel. Then you go in and you just get your permanent marker, of course, and you just do the eyes. You just circle the eyes, just with a nice circle, and you do an oval for the mouth. And you know, this is for, like I said, for the quick mom who's busy, who kids just tell them at the last minute they need something for a Halloween party. You don't want to be dull, you know, and just, you know, just bring a bag of candy. So this actually works perfect. Looks like you put in time and energy, and the kids love them. So now I'm just taking the black and the orange ribbon there, tying it over. Let's see here. Just tying it over. If I can get it, guys. You just tie that over, and voila, ladies, you have a nice little Halloween ghost. Okay, we'll just do another one there. You just put the paper towel over there. Tie it over 3 times with the rubber band. Fluff out the siding there. Get your permanent marker. You just put your circles for the eyes, the oval for the mouth. Get your ribbon. Put it behind there. Make sure you even it up, guys, because you'll end up having trouble like myself. So make sure you even it up, even the orange and the black ribbon together. And I noticed something that would be really cute with this as well, if you just buy a Halloween ribbon, that would be really cute as well. And you just tie, ladies. Bam. There you go. You have a really nice boo pop. All right, ladies, you guys have a great night.